Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it. Error, we are sorry but something went wrong. Please try again on your Instagram. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. After, just go to mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, just try another way. So just try to check updates for Instagram. So just go to App Store. In the App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram. And now just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.